what is domestic violence battery? How do you get charged with it? What makes it different than a regular battery? Well, whenever we're talking about a misdemeanor domestic battery, we're really just talking about the elements of a simple battery coupled with a special relationship between the parties. So if you take simple battery, the elements that the prosecutor would have to establish or prove would be that you struck an individual, that you caused something to strike another individual, something that was unwelcomed, like spitting. Okay, now take that defendant and that victim and evaluate whether or not there was a relationship that qualifies under Florida law. Was this a former spouse? Because if it was, the misdemeanor battery is going to find itself in the domestic violence court, and you're going to face different penalties. You're going to have more exposure, tougher penalties, minimum mandatories, and we'll get into that later. But other qualifying relationships under Florida law are somebody that you're related to by blood or marriage, if you are currently or have resided in the past with this individual as if a family, not just roommates, but as if a family. Finally, if you've got a child together and there's a misdemeanor battery that takes place between those individuals, the case is going to be filed in the domestic violence court.